Hey everybody, my name is Ritu.
And I'm Rebeka.
We're thrilled to introduce you to Deschool, our STEM specialist company.
We wanted to introduce the two of us because Ritu and I are the educators behind the STEM programming at Deschool. We have a combined experience of over 24 years in education, inspiring young minds across many different geographies.
In my 12 years of experience, I've had the good fortune to interact and teach children across India, Singapore, UAE, and Canada.
And my teaching has also been diverse, taking me from Toronto to Thailand, from Quebec to the Philippines, even teaching outdoor ed and forest and inside the classroom as well.
Deschool was started as a STEM specialist company. I think it's our combined educational experiences and our love for innovation that inspired us to shake things up in the STEM education system and almost reimagine STEM learning. As a Toronto-based, women-led STEM education company, we're a mosaic of our cultures, stories, experiences, all the way from our co-founders to our software designers.
Another thing we really believe at Deschool is that STEM learning really needs to match and keep up with the quick-paced, tech-filled world that we're in today. When we invite experts into your classroom, students fall in love with science. And what happens with that is they become bold innovators, and they can take classroom ideas and turn them into real-world solutions.
That's all from us. Thank you and see you in the classroom.